everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am showing you this Plum Purple Violet eyeshadow look today. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing what products I used and how I use them, then just keep on watching. Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden.
Gonna show I was strong, pushing to my own soul, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
And now I'm going to set the eye primer with my Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation. Now I'm going to use the Zodiac palette, Kathleen Lights in ColourPop collaboration, and I'm going in with the color the Sagittarius. It's this plummy purple right down here in the corner, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners and just put it in like the crease area and blend it out. Alright, now I'm going in with the LA Colors Smokin palette, and I'm going into that middle purplish shade, or the end purplish shade. It's like a bright purple, and I'm going to pack that on the center of my lid. Now I'm going back in with the Zodiac palette, and I'm using that the Sagittarius color, and I'm going to just kind of blend those two shadows together using that color with a very light fluffy brush, a very light hand on the fluffy brush. So this palette will be in the giveaway that I do have coming up for my fall giveaway. It'll be posted the 23rd, very soon. But I will say, if you are the winner of this palette or you decide to pick this palette up, the only drawback, which is a major drawback, but the only drawback is that you need to glue these on before, like, they fall out so easy. As you can tell, this one, like, almost all the colors have already fell out because I dropped it off my makeup table. But I put, like, nail glue on them and put them back in place, and that is helping a little bit, but this one just fell out. So just be prepared. If you get this palette in the giveaway or you plan on picking it up, you have to glue the shadows back in or they will fall out, like mine just did. Luckily, it wasn't the color I was about to get into, but I'm going to be using this very white glittery shade that's in the palette, and I'm going to put this on the inner corners. Alright, I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will have all the products I am using in my description box below, so go check that out if you're interested in seeing what else I put on my face, along with these products, with the links that you can get them, or most of them if they're not drugstore or discontinued or whatever. But anyways, all the products that is on my face in this video will be down in the description box below, so just check it out. But yeah, I'll be right back with a full face and then show you how I will do the lower lash line. I got the rest of my makeup on, and now I'm going in with the Zodiac palette, and I am going to put the Capricorn, which is appears to be like a glitter black with like gold reflex, but it's not really. As soon as you get it on your brush and tap it just once, the color just falls off. So it's like a matte black, really. I'm going to put that on my lower and upper lash line.
Letting your love work through me. In every moment, breathing this moment. You came, you made me.
Alright, now I am going in with that same Zodiac palette in the color Sagittarius, which was the matte purple color that you see right here on the corners, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the same shimmery purple from the LA Colors Smokin palette, and then the same shimmer color that you see in my inner corner, and putting that in the inner corner on the bottom lash line. I hope you enjoyed this Plum Purple Violet eyeshadow look. I had fun making it, and it is so beautiful. I really do believe this is the most beautiful purple eyeshadow look I've ever done myself. It's really simple. It's only 2 eyeshadow palettes to create this look, so it's really easy. It's I mean, it is 3 different colors, which might be a little adventurous to some of you that do 1 eyeshadow or maybe even 2, but I am starting to venture out and trying multiple eyeshadows on my eyes at once, and this is just a very simple, beautiful purple one, and it's fall appropriate. I mean, it's no better time. It's not a too dark of one. It's not that smoky, but it just brings a lot of attention to the eyes, and any eye color can really do this one. I think it complements my brown eyes very good, but I think it would look great for green or blue eyes also. There's a few things that I wanted to discuss before the end of the video. I will be doing a giveaway soon. It will be posted the 23rd. This one is posted the 16th, so you have like, what, a week left or something like that, maybe even more, maybe less, I'm not sure. But I do want to say, if you're still watching this and you want bonus entries when that comes about, all you have to do to let me know that you are watching this right now and you made it to the end is put some like pumpkin emojis along with your comment below, and that will give you extra entries on that giveaway that's not even posted yet. Sorry, this is going to be posted the 20th, so yeah, the 23rd, so in 3 days that giveaway will be posted. My project pan was my last video I uploaded, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check that out. A lot of the products that I'm using on my face today is in my project pan. But yeah, that is all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!